Part 3 of 5 with Dolores Cannon. I can hear them now. That old bat found a way to speak again, even though she's dead. That's the point. You don't die. You just continue in a different way. You become untethered. You don't have to be driven or flown anywhere. You are free to explore. I communicate non-verbally now, as do all who are disincarnate. I don't have a physical body, but I do have an ethereal body and am visible to those on this side. I can make myself visible to those on your side if I so desired. The earth is a pseudo-reality. Like all pseudo-realities, it exists as a strengthening tool for God to make more of itself. It is temporary and is a buy-in reality, where those who experience it must buy into it by agreeing to experience it. The idea that it is a virtual reality hologram may have some credence, but even that doesn't really explain it very well. The Earth project is so complicated, it really can't be adequately explained as a hologram or an illusion. There's more to it. Much more. The term illusion may help to lessen the impact of the world if someone believes that this is all the Earth is. But the problem here is finding purpose in an illusion because it would seem that there isn't any by default. Yet, every one of our projects has great purpose because God is benevolent. It doesn't do anything without purpose. I hope I'm not stepping on any toes. The Earth is an amazing project. I can be in New York City one minute or near my home in Arkansas the next. Pretty amazing. Whatever the Earth is, however you choose to describe it, it is a part of us and it can be a unifying experience. The emphasis is on the words can be. With love, Dolores.